Volkswagen Barbie out in the Garagemahal, tackling Felix's body fitment. This is day 4 or 5. I've already lost count. We've pulled this body off so many times, I've lost count a long time ago. Every time we put it back on, we find another area that needs a little more clearance. So we cut off very small amounts in order to make sure we have enough meat on there to keep the structure safe. So it's a long process, but we're getting so close, we're only about that far from seating it. Right now, our issue is we're hitting here. So I'm gonna tub out these fender wells a little bit deeper and hope that gives us our clearance. The front, we made great strides. We were able to lower it down once we cleared the back. This should sit down nicely and clear the radiators, fingers crossed. So time to get to cutting.